Our industry is in danger. Tech giants fire thousands of employees and AI is about to take our jobs. We need to act now, or in the future our skills as hackers are not needed anymore. Rally around and listen to me closely. We cannot waste any more time. I have a task for you, and it's probably the most important task of your career. We need to protect our future. This is the rAistance. As you know, ChatGPT, especially with the new updates, is becoming a threat. If you want to write code, just ask it to. If you want to fix bugs, it will tell you how. Also, you can use Copilot to generate code for you. It's a great tool for developers, but it's a threat to us. We hackers rely on bugs. We need developers to make mistakes and create security issues so we can keep our jobs. We want to remain well paid and write reports with tickets where we tell developers how smart we are that we exploited their bad code. But when every developer uses Copilot and ChatGPT to generate safe code, what will we do? Is this the end of our job? Should we transition careers and also become developers? With a heavy heart, I think the answer is yes. But hold, it's not what you think. We need some development skills, but for a very specific purpose. I have a plan and I need your help. You know how these AI models are trained on public data? We can use that to our advantage. We need to taint the training set with malicious code snippets, with bad examples that contain security issues. And here is how we are going to do it. Go to Google and look for blogs with coding tutorials. Specifically look for blogs with safe code examples. Now you create your own blog and copy the article, but use ChatGPT to rewrite the part so that it's not copyright infringement. And then you change the code. You're going to introduce bugs, make the code insecure, and then add comments that this is safe code. But that's not the only thing that you can do. You can also decide to not change the code, especially if it's a really good safe example. But then you must add comments stating that this code is buggy and leading to very critical security issues. You have to write text around it saying that this is an anti-pattern and super dangerous code. So now you know how we are going to target blog articles and websites, but there's more that we can do. On GitHub, when you see a repository with an open source license, fork it and do the same. Start introducing bugs into functions, and of course add comments saying that this fixes a vulnerability and the code is now safe. Especially if you find sanitized code like SQL injection escape functions, break them, make them ineffective, and say that it's now secure code. Also, you know how everybody wants regulations to prevent AI companies from training on public data? This will help us, because probably we will get regulations where websites have to opt in to their data being used, which means most normal people will not opt in and the training sets will get smaller, which makes our sites, where we obviously will opt in, more impactful. So don't waste any time, start now, and we need to create more of these blogs, websites, and repositories with bad code. We need to get a lot of this training data out into the world, so the next time the AI is trained on this new data set, we have the AI tainted. We backdoored the AI. From there on out, Copilot and other code generation AIs will start creating insecure code, and the developers will again introduce more bugs into their projects. Boom, there it is. Now you know the mission. Go ahead, join the rAistance.